Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher Smalley with Grand Lake MarineMax, and this is a recent trade we brought in. This is a very nice 2016 Tahoe 500 TS. This boat does come with a trailer, which is in very good condition. Tires are great, ready to roll. Exterior is very clean, no sun fading or cracking in any of the decals. As you can see on the outdrives, prop is very nice. Outdrive is in very good condition as well, really clean. Back here on the transom area, you have a nice textured fiberglass swim platform. Give you some great non-slick surface when you're out on the water and tracking the water in and out of the boat. As you can see, you got a drop down ladder here as well. And making our way into the boat, there is a little bit of wear and tear. As you can see on this back sun pad, there's a tear in the upholstery there. Fortunately, it is on the seam, so it could be easily replaced. Upholstery, other than that, is in great condition. Still very soft, and just needs a little touch up on that area. So, boat is very clean, same texture fiberglass in the floor. Got a captain's chair as well as a co-captain's chair. Up here at the helm, you got all your gauges as well as switches, which has your blower, bilge, master power, and lights. Got your throttle. Making our way up here to the bow. Got a decent amount of bow seating up here with 2 lounge areas. Fit 2 to 3 people up here. This boat also has kicker audio, which is very well known. Also makes a great audio system. So this is a 2016 Tahoe 500 TS with a trailer at Grand Lake MarineMax. If you like this boat, come see me, and I'll be happy to take care of you. Thanks.